that I, Richard, do take thee, Sarah, to be my lawful wedded wife. Richard, I give you this ring.
Richard, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
And a token of our marriage.
And a token of our marriage.
I promise to be loving.
I promise to be loving.
Faithful and loyal to you.
Faithful and loyal to you.
With this ring.
With this ring.
I join my life to yours.
I join my life to yours.
And I call upon these persons.
And I call upon these persons.
Here present to witness.
Here present to witness.
That I, Sarah.
That I, Sarah.
Do take thee, Richard.
Do take thee, Richard.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
So if you're free lawfully to marry Pip, would you like to repeat after me? I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Of any lawful impediment.
Why I, Jasper, sing pure.
Why I, Jasper, sing pure.
May not be joined in matrimony.
May not be joined in matrimony.
To Philippa Jane Riley.
To Philippa Jane Riley.
And Pip, if you're free lawfully to marry Jasper, would you like to repeat after me? I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Of any lawful impediment.
Why I, Philippa Jane Riley.
Why I, Philippa Jane Riley.
May not be joined in matrimony.
May not be joined in matrimony.
To Jasper sing pure.
To Jasper sing pure.